Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I am at home and I want to drink something hot water. And I should drink some tea or tisane, but today I am in the mood of my applesauce. So I will drink a cup of applesauce. I made it yesterday and there is not too much sugar. So I feel it's just perfect. It smells good. First, I will clean it up. This is how I drink tea, jam tea. This way I can clean up my pot and not anything wasted. Should be good. And because this is homemade, so relatively less sugar. And I will put them, once I open it, I will put into refrigerator. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Quite sour. I put lemon syrup with apple. So these are the apples that are not so pretty, but they are very, very appley. They taste very, very, very much apple. Yeah, quite pure taste. I enjoy it. Oh, so good. It must be quite good for digestion. It's not apple vinegar, but it's quite sour, almost like vinegar. Anyway, I will enjoy it. You have a beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye. Run. Oh, this is so comfortable, so comforting. Actually, I use blender, blend it. It's for myself, so I know the skin is. I wash the skin, and I know this is from my backyard. There is no chemical, no residue on it, so just a very, very humble and not a glamorous applesauce. Applesauce, good for your soul. Have a good night. They are so good. I love them. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Let's do loser unboxing. I love loser unboxing. I am ready for the surprise. With a cup of applesauce, applesauce tea, applesauce drink. This is so good. Life gonna be busy and a lot of things will get started. So, rewind myself. Ta-da! Ta-da! Where is my scissors? It's there. And this one, I am proud to show it because it's a loser unboxing. I bought it. And the reason is that sometimes our family, we went out or even at home, we take out the phone. Everyone is blue color, black color, and I cannot know which one is which. So I decide to buy a new one. At least this color is different from Gugu, Minu, from others. I think there are two of these. And I am using this phone, so let me set it up. Okay, I am using that phone. Okay, this is this. Okay. Okay, see you later, alligator.